What is Flutter? When and why you should use it in app development. This toolkit is a cross-platform technology from Google that allows creating application programs for mobile, desktop, and web use by using a single codebase. To develop with Flutter, you will use a programming language called Dart. Other than Dart, the hard and soft skills required for Flutter developers are good knowledge of Git, experience with graph patterns, knowledge of SQL, strong knowledge of networking, etc. Flutter is relatively new and pretty complex, which makes it hard to find developers who truly know how to work with the SDK. Flutter web developers, Flutter app developers, Dart app developers are some of the job roles. Top Flutter app development companies are Makito, Mint Inventory, App Inventive, Itcraft, etc.